Milano, Malpensa Airport. Aircraft Airbus A321. Parking 413, deplaning. My name is Jason. I am an airline pilot, an Airbus A320 first officer. Welcome to Italy. After 6 hours of flight from Dakar, Senegal, to Milan in Italy, we've made it to the hotel room. In today's video, I'll be showing you what a typical day is like for airline pilots and flight attendants at destination, in the city, in the hotel. Let's get into it. Good morning, YouTube. Just woke up. We arrived yesterday morning. Super tiring, as you know. All night red-eye flight. Slept from about 10 to 4:30 p.m. Woke up, went down to get some food. Worked all night. We're on a video. I'm about to go grab some breakfast right now. So let's go. Got some cornflakes, chocolate style, 2 croissants, bacon, omelet, sausage. What you eating? She eating 2 kiwis, bro. Fly JV tank top. Alright boys, we're back in the room. It's time to get a quick shower and then hit the road. Let's get active. Cat tart lifestyle, bruv. Quidons, what's up, bruh? Ok, yeah, you're good. Maintenant tu es contente, hein? D'accord, c'est bien. Alright.
So only one ticket, okay? It costs €13 per person, just one way.
13,
and
okay.
Yes, and then you can take the ticket for the metro if you want, it's €2, or going by what?
Train leaving in 12 minutes. We're waiting. Flight JV mode. I'm on the moon, I'm on ghost. They coming with me tonight. We on the move tonight. Party, we lady, we get in the mood tonight. They coming with me tonight. We on the move tonight. Party, we lady, we get in the mood tonight. She kicking with me. I just pulled up in the city, man. We out here. I'm talking to my camera. She thinks I'm crazy, man. Why do you think I'm crazy? Stop thinking I'm crazy, man. C'est pour ça que je marche avec un masque et des lunettes. Pour pas qu'on sache qui je suis. Je me cache. I'm hiding in plain sight. Excellent. Ah, c'est nice. Let's go. Alright guys, so we just came down the train. So right now we're at Milano, Cardono. I forgot. Right now we're walking to the city center to Duomo, Milano. We're gonna find a restaurant to eat. It's one of the cabin crew's birthdays as well, so we're gonna try to get a cake, get some good foods, and chill, man. So yeah. Alright, so we're still walking. Had to ask like 2 different people because we got lost, but we're about to get it though. I think 300 more meters, we're about to get there. So let's keep walking. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to follow the music channel. More music coming soon, and I'll see you guys. Pause the video, go on Instagram, follow me at Jason Voudry for more daily free aviation content. Le mannequin. Oh my God. Let's go. Duomo, sightseeing JV, tourist JV. I'm in the building, I'm in the house, I'm in the plane, I'm in the cockpit, I'm in the city. Je suis là, frère.
On est là.
On est là. Yeah, Nyungi Fi. Nyungi Fi. Duomo B. I'm in the house. Pull up. What's up, man? Duomo modes. Back in the city. Duomo's here. I don't know the rest of the names and everything, but yeah. Mask mode. Il pensait que il voulait venir. You can come. Pigeon JV, yeah, mangez mes enfants. Allez-y. Hey, c'est quoi, frère? Calme-toi. Why you mad, bro? He's mad. Hey, let's go. Thank you. Wow. Oh, damn, that's crazy. Woo. Nice. Hey yo, laisse ma tête, frère.
J'ai peur de le blesser.
Don't get on my head though. You can't get on the head. Y a plus rien. Oh, she's scared. Mask off. Take the mask off.
J'espère, hein?
Toi, je te fais confiance. Je sais que tu sais prendre les vidéos. Damn. That's crazy.
Ça, c'est beau. Ah, ça, c'est beau.
Woo! Damn. It's her birthday today, okay? It's her birthday today. Est-ce qu'on te voit bien? On te voit bien? So, I want all you guys to go in the comments right now. You put happy birthday Aisatu in the comment section. I'm gonna write the first comment and then you all write it down, okay? Alright, let's go. Boom.
Arrivederci, buona serata.
Buonasera. birthday terrace. Yeah, chilling. Duomo view. C'est quand même fou, hein, check, on a Duomo view littéralement, tu vois. Tu sais qu'il y a les gens sur Duomo en haut là-bas. Duomo view, night sky. Order some tapas. Can't complain, to be honest. Tu sais, pour être un vrai boss dans la vie, tu sais comment on fait pour devenir un vrai boss dans la vie? Il faut que tu commences à porter des lunettes de soleil pendant la night. Sinon, t'es pas un vrai boss. Boom, certified.
You can charge your phone if you want.
Yeah, I will. Thank you very much. Who's behind the cam? Faut leur dire comment on sait que c'est qui est un boss dans ce groupe. Explique-leur s'il te plaît. Faut leur dire. J'attends que tu dises. Faut leur dire. You gotta have the glasses at night. If you don't have the glasses at night, you're not a boss in this life, man. You gotta have the glasses. C'est important.
Non, une, deux, et pas.
Alright, nice. So we got the food over here. Got me a little pizza crudo.
Kanyaw. Kanyaw. Yung tadi sa flat berapa mana? Araw ng kanyang flat. Salad man naman may reason. Hindi salad na. Thank you.
Yeah, that's a lot of food. Let's go. Let's go. Thanks. Alright. Oh shoot. Voilà. Voilà, comme ça, on va battre. Ça, c'est ton truc. Hein.
Ouais.
Ça, c'est les gambas frites. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire. Voilà, bon, c'est petit, mais c'est quelque chose. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Après me souffler. Amen.
Let's go. That's a lot of sugar, bruv. That's a lot of alcohol, bruv. Tiramisu for your boy. Grazie mille, grazie mille. Prego.
I never stop, aim for the top, when we do drop, baby girl finna drop, competition, I finna drop, I was like I'm negativity.
We ended the night by visiting a few shops, visiting the galleries near Duomo, getting some ice cream, tasty, and I ended up getting a new jacket that was unexpected but cool, I guess. Next morning, getting ready, suited up, packing my stuff. It is time to leave for our 6-hour return flight aboard the Airbus A321. Morning, YouTube. Showered, teeth brushed, bags packed, getting suited up, getting ready for the flight. When that's done, we're going to get some breakfast, and then we're hitting the road to get to Terminal 1 and take off with the Airbus A321 today. 6-hour flight, weather good enough, not too bad, so can't complain. Got a few hours of sleep, it's pretty good, but I still need to get my coffee in, get my bacon, get my eggs, and you know, have a good breakfast so I can perform for the job. Alright? breakfast of champions. Eggs, sausage, bacon, croissant, some cereal, and last but not least, a cappuccino to hit the road. Alright guys, so here we are. I'm done with the exterior walkaround. Everything is done. I don't know. It's facing here. It's coming here. Now that you can. Okay. So as I was saying, I'm done with the exterior walkaround. These people were walking by. They thought I was like filming in their direction, so they wanted to like crouch down. But anyway, yeah, we're done with that. I'm about to get back in. We almost have everybody on board. That's why I'm actually outside here filming. So it'll be a 6-hour flight, like I said. Everything's been done. Briefing is complete. Aircraft is set up, so it's just time to leave and bounce. Let's get to work.